Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yay! We're counting days to Christmas. I'm super excited. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing us how I was able to make my ponytail, yes, extension using an expression. Yes, all I did was I got an expression attachment for 1,000 naira. I already picked it before. I was like, okay, let me show you guys the process on how I was able to achieve it. So that part was not recorded, pardon me for that. All I did was I cut the attachment into 3 parts in order to achieve length 20 of the ponytail. Yeah, so I picked it properly. I was able to video where I started combing the hair. All I just did here was I picked it to the length that I want. Can you see? Then I'll just brush it, brush. You can cut it maybe cut 2. If you want it shorter than this, you can cut it cut 4, cut 5, depending on how you want it. But when picking it, try and make sure that you pick it well, and make sure that the extension you bought is actually a good one, because we have fake ones now. So all I just did here now was to tie the combed attachment at the middle in order for it to be flexible for me while dipping it inside a bowl with hot water, in order not to hurt myself. So you can use anything you know that you can hold your extension properly in order for it to go into your bowl. Whatever you want to use for it while using your hot water, it's fine. Okay, so you see the length. Wow, you see. So here's my hot water that is already boiled. I'm pouring it in a bowl. I'm adding my conditioner. Yes guys, we need conditioner in order to achieve this. And then my conditioner, I will be dipping my hair extension inside. Yes, make sure that the container you're using is actually wide, that will allow it to go in properly, so that the hot water could actually cover all the hair, so it could come out smooth and nice. Okay, so I'm dipping it in properly, like properly, and I'll be adding a little bit of shampoo. I noticed it didn't come out properly the way I wanted it. Like come out silky, flexible, soft, like your bone straighter, or my bone gang sisters, or my bone straight girls. Yes, so this is what I'm doing now. I'll be dipping it. I'm bringing it out. Dip in and bring it out until I achieve what I want. Basically, that's what I'm doing now. Okay guys, so you can see it, the texture is coming out. You could see how flexible it is. You could see how shaky and wavy it is. See, I'm bringing it out. The water is draining out of the extension. Yep, I think I've gotten what I want, so I'll just damp it with my towel. Damp it properly. Damp it properly in order to drain all the water out before drying it. So guys, see, I'm combing it. If you don't pick your attach well, you could not get it good. So I used a fan to dry it. Yeah, so my hair is dry. I'll be needing some hair oil, whatever you want to use is fine, and we'll be needing either an iron, or I'll be using a stretcher, not an iron, since I'm opportunity to have a stretcher. I'll be using a stretcher but not an iron. So all I'll just do is that I'll stretch the hair from the top to the tips. I noticed it's a bit rough, so I need to comb it a bit. Guys, can you see? Can you see? You don't need to break your bank account if you don't have money to buy a bone straight weave on or extension to make your hair. You can actually just do this at home and just do your style your own way, okay? Just brushing the hair properly so it comes out neatly. And so guys, did you see? Can you see? Oh baby, oh Aww, look how cute. Yep. You go, girl. I'll brush it properly, and I will also use my stretcher again to stretch it. The good fun part about it is that it's your choice. If you want it wavy, if you want it straight, anyhow you want it, you could actually do that. So guys, see how silky it's looking, see how smooth it's looking, despite the fact that I was doing it in a rush because I wanted going out, so I wanted to sleep before going out. I said no, even as I want to sleep, I still have to share with you guys the process of it all. And that's all. See how your baby girl slayed her hair, guys.